Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Rakesh, a DevOps engineer, and in today's session, I'll walk you through how to create a virtual machine in Azure using Terraform, and then set up Prometheus, Node Exporter, and Alert Manager for monitoring and alerting. Okay. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to automate infrastructure deployment and build a complete monitoring setup step by step using open source tools. So let's get started. So we have some resource file like main.tf, output.tf, provider.tf, variable.tf. Okay, so in provider.tf, the configuration for Azure will be like that. We don't need to remember anything. We can get from here, like the Terraform registry. Everything you can get. Okay, suppose to add the tag for this provider, this is the tag. Okay, so I put here, and for Microsoft Azure, to connect with Azure, we need to add subscriber ID, tenant ID, client ID, and client secret. This is not the standard procedure actually. We need to keep it secretly. But for a quick sessions and better understanding, I just put all the secret things here. Okay. Here you can see if you go below for resource group, the tag will be like Azure RM underscore resource underscore group example, then name, then which location we want to keep. Like that for virtual network, we are having one tag. Okay, so this is the way how we can create. Now let me show you my main.tf file. For resource group, I created this tag. Okay, here you can see var.resource group, var.location. Why I have written in this way? Because I have another variable.tf file, and here I have mentioned the location as Central India. The resource group name as rg-basic-vm. VNet name is VNet basic. Okay, so this is the way we declare the variables, and here you can see to set up virtual network, the tag will be like Azure RM underscore virtual underscore network. It's vnet, then var.vnet, and in the variable.tf file will mention the name of vnet. Okay, so and for subnet, this is the tag, and to allow SSH, Prometheus, Alert Manager, and Node Exporter, this is the tag, and for security rule, I here you can see destination port range 22, so that we can SSH to the server. Here port number is 9090, so that Prometheus, to communicate with Prometheus. Then to access the alert manager, the port number is 9093. Then node exporter, this is 9100. Okay, for public IP we have tag, for network interface we have tag, and the for VM, we are going to install Ubuntu 22.04. So here you can see this is the we have mentioned resource group name, location, size, user, admin user, and about the password. We are going to put the password by our own. Okay, then you can see SQ is 22 underscore 04 hyphen LTS publisher. Okay, this is the main.tf file. I have show you already the provider.tf and the variable.tf as well. You can see for variable admin password we need, as this is sensitive, I need to put. Okay, and CIDR range you can see, and admin user name you can see here, and VM size you can see this standard underscore B2S. Okay, so what is the use of output.tf? Here the output.tf, here you can see public IP and private IP I have mentioned. Once Terraform deployment is done, then we'll get an output of this two IP. Okay, so let's get started. So ignore the rules.yml file. They are nothing to do with this file actually. So before the first step, we'll have to execute Terraform init to initiate Terraform. Okay. Then Terraform plan. I'm putting my password now. So you can see what are the things is going to get created. Those are the things you can see. Okay. Now we are going to execute a Terraform apply. Putting my password. So the research group creation is started. Once it gets created, we will install Prometheus. So Prometheus is an open source monitoring system that collects metrics from configured target at regular intervals. It stores data in a time series database and allow real-time alerting and visualization. So we are going to install it using tarball. Then we'll run the systemd-sysv. Then we'll enable it to the default port 9090, as I mentioned already in my Terraform file, right? Okay, so our public IP is this. So here in Azure, you can see I don't have any VM or resource group, nothing present here. Let me refresh it. You can see just now two resource group get created, and in the resource group, this is the virtual machine named my VM, and you can see the public IP is this. Okay, here we get the public IP. Okay, so this is where the output.tf works. So I am going to SSS to the server Linux machine. Yes. Put in my password. So now we are inside the machine. So to complete the task of installation of Prometheus quickly, I have put my command in my notepad. Let me execute this command like no refresh package list, then configure any unpacked but unconfigured package and check package consistency, try to install system, these things. Okay, let me run. Then we'll run these commands. Successfully executed. Guys, I will share these commands in the comment section of my video. Then create user and directory. Okay, we'll create a user and directory for Prometheus. Let me execute this command. Get created. Let's verify by using this command. Let's open LRT. You can see this directory is created. Let me check this directory also created. You can see this is created. Okay. So next we need to yeah, one thing here you can see these are with the user and group as root. So we are going to change the owner to Prometheus. Okay, so the command is like this. You have executed successfully. Let's check, verify. You can see root is get converted to Prometheus. Okay. So the next step will be download Prometheus. So in temp directory we will wget, then we will enter the zip file. tar zip file, then we'll uh, go inside the Prometheus folder. Let me execute at once. So you can see these are installed successfully. Then we need to copy the Prometheus to this location, then this to this to this. Okay, let me copy that, run the command. We can verify after I execute the command. Okay. Then fourth step will be write Prometheus systemd unit. So for that we need to copy this till end of file. So here I'm going to execute. Okay. Then step 5 will be system ctl domain reload, then enable Prometheus, then we'll check, at last we'll check the status of the Prometheus. Okay. Let me execute the command. You can see the status. Let me show you the status once more. If you if you want to check the status, okay, so you need to execute this command. Then add your VM's node matrix. So node exporter we need to add in the same process. Okay. Like we install Prometheus, we are going to install node exporter in it. We are enabling here node exporter. Okay. So then need to check if it is started. Yeah, you can see active run. Okay. Then first let's check whether any UI if it is working or not. Okay, this is our URL IP address. With our IP address, the port number is 9090. Yeah, you can see now this is off. And node exporter is colon 90, sorry, 9100, I think. Oh. So from here we'll get like a variable.tf we mentioned, right? Sorry, in main.tf. If you see node x for 19100, yeah, that is the correct one. Okay. 9100. See, it is also off. So this is Prometheus. In alert, you can see zero alert, inactive zero, pending zero, and firing zero. Okay. Now let's create the Prometheus rule. So to add the Prometheus rule, we have to go to this path cd Prometheus. So here you can see we have one Prometheus.yml file, and here I'll let me open it as sudo vi Prometheus YML, and here in the Prometheus YML we can configure different rule as per our need. Okay, so let me add the Prometheus rule here. Prometheus rule will be something, Prometheus rule file. Let me copy this tab from here and okay. So I'm deleting this whole file I have added. So the file name will be rules.yml. So here we are going to create a rules.yml file. So basically in the rules.yml I just want to get the alert for CPU, for memory, for file system. Okay. So basically, this script is written if the CPU get 80%, we will see the alert. But here I just changed to 20 to get the alert. Here also I did the same. But in the description, you can see it is 80% showing. Okay. So let me create rules.yml. Oh, sorry. Here I need to open with sudo. I paste this simply and colon WQ. Okay. So here this step is done. You can see some kind of there. Sudo systemctl restart Prometheus. Then I'm restarting it. Then let me check the status. Yeah. So if I refresh the page, you can see the CPU, high CPU, high memory, high disk usage. These are the rules that we have defined, we are able to see this. Okay. So for this session, this much. Uh, as the video is getting bigger, so I am going to create another session to install alert and to see the alert. Also, I will tell how we can configure the pager duty with alert manager in that. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can put your question in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.